Hey guys! Are you involved in the development of WordPress plugins? This video shows common mistakes developers face when developing WordPress plugins. The first mistake is using common plugin names. The plugin and theme market is expanding each day. Chances are high that your name may match an existing plugin's name. It's best to choose a unique name to avoid code conflicts. Add specific prefixes before variables and function names. These unique names also help users find a particular plugin among other active plugins. The second mistake is to ignore the risk of SQL injection. SQL injection exposes a website's vulnerability to hackers. They get access to the valuable and secret information stored in the database. You can easily mitigate the risk of SQL injection by using the WordPress core prepare function. Developers also forget to use WordPress Nonces. You need to utilize WordPress Nonces in your code as a safety measure, especially when developing themes. WordPress generates one-time use security tokens that can be used to verify users' intentions while performing an action. Nonces prevents misuse of URLs and forums using these security tokens. Another mistake is not to align with the official WordPress guidelines. Since WordPress plugins and themes are meant to work within the WordPress ecosystem, you must follow the official guidelines to submit a plugin or theme. The review team will send you feedback mentioning any issues. You need to fix the errors and submit the code. The WordPress authority will reject your submission if they find your intention suspicious. They may even ban you from the WordPress repository if they think your plugin or theme carries anything malicious. Opting for quick solutions over quality is also not a good idea. When developing plugins, it is tempting to use shortcuts that may lower the quality of your plugin. So do the research and adequate background work and follow coding practices even if you're developing a small theme or plugin. When developing plugins, it's very important not to have access CSS and JavaScript files. Put extra effort into filtering out unnecessary JavaScript and CSS files. Keep the themes and plugins as lightweight as possible with clutter-free CSS and JavaScript files. This can also help with loading of your WordPress site and even help you with ranking higher in the search engines of Google. Not making use of WordPress core functionality is a grave mistake. As a developer, you should use WordPress to its fullest potential. Use the WordPress resources and your development time will be saved to create fast and responsive plugins. WordPress has a massive library of core files such as jQuery, color pickers, and so on. Some plugins come with files that are already available in the WordPress core files. Another problem is not coping with the latest technology. No matter how effective and functional your plugins are, users can't reap the benefits of your products if they are not compatible with the latest technology. As a plugin developer, you can start selling your plugins, but without proper software licensing, your work can be pirated. So make sure you use a WordPress license manager to provide a valid and active license keys for your plugins. You can try using Appsero to generate and check licenses or keep using your existing license providers such as Envato, WooCommerce, or Easy Digital Downloads. As a developer, you can also deploy your code from GitHub to WordPress.org to save time. Appsero also analyzes your plugin's performance as well as your plugin users' satisfaction. And that's it for today's video. Be sure to check out the blog on today's topic. The link for this is given in the description box down below. For more information on using Appsero to license, manage, analyze, and deploy your WordPress plugins, be sure to check out Appsero or contact us for more information. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.